what should I do for today's video? How about this? Well, here you go. Today we'll be making a custom mug for Mother's Day. Welcome back to the Pretzel channel. I hope you liked that little intro I made. It was a bit creative. Yes, today we'll be making a custom mug for Mother's Day. And you'll be needing some Posca pens, pencil, masking tape, some scissors, a black Sharpie, a mug of course. For this we'll be using 2, and some imagination. So let's start. First we're going to draw a heart. This is going to be what we're going to put on our cup. So let's cut it out. Now I've fast forwarded this whole process because it's quite a long thing, but I'm sure you can do it. Now we're going to get some masking tape, any type of tape can do, and just make a loop and stick it on the mug. Now we've got our 4 Posca pens, red, pink, fluoro red, black and gold. So I'm just writing down these colours here so you can see the difference. I've chosen to go in darkest to lightest colour. So I'm doing a prototype right here. That's what it looks like. We're going to start on the mug now. And dot by dot we're just going to go around the heart. If we repeat this process again and again and again, we'll get something. Oh yeah, you want to wait 2 minutes just to make sure it's perfectly dried. Now we're back. Now I'm using the second color, which is a pink. The third color is going to be that fluoro red I told you about. Yeah. It's looking pretty good. Now we're going to wait that 2 minutes to dry, and then we're going to move on to fluoro red. Here you go. Let's get our fluoro red, and that's doing dots. Now what I did was that I made a dot bigger and bigger and have a space in between more larger every time I went around so that it would have a nice kind of effect. I think that looks pretty nice. Now we're going to let that dry for a bit, let's say 2 minutes. You don't have to, but I like to do it, make sure so when I'm drawing my dots, my hand doesn't actually smudge the other colours, so I know they're all dry. Okay, now we're going to take off the mask thing. It looks pretty clean. Okay. So I did this sign of the heart and I love you, but I didn't really like it. But don't worry, Posca can be taken off with just a bit of water if you're quick enough. So I decided to go for this design, and I wrote I love you in the middle. And then I wrote Happy Mother's Day on the other side of the card. When I wrote I love you in the middle of the heart, I used the gold pen. Make sure that this mug you're making is creative, so you don't have to copy what I did, just do it on your own. I was going to do a second mug I told earlier in the video, but it would take too long, so that's going to be for next video. Also, I did a couple hearts on the Mother's Day thing. If you liked the video, you can like it. If you disliked the video, you can dislike it. And if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe, but it's totally your choice. Bye. See ya.